Alright, welcome to the same installment of Hutch's information station. Today's turbo time. Thought this would be a good idea to show you guys how a turbo works. You have two sections of the turbo. You have your compressor and your exhaust housing. The exhaust is fed through the exhaust side and then is discharged through your downpipe. And what that does is it turns a blade. So exhaust comes in through here, actually spins this blade. It's all connected together. You have two turbines on each side, and then this turbine spins, actually compressing the air, sucking through your inlet, compressing the air, and then discharging boost out of your turbo outlet. This air is really hot because it's compressed air, so it needs to be cooled, hence the intercooler. Traditionally, you find them air to air, kind of like a radiator. But a lot of times, you know, race car applications, they use air to water. And what you can do with the water is you actually ice the water down. That's the real benefit. You ice the water down and get your intake air temperatures really, really cool. The compressed air gets denser because it's cooler and allows you to put more air into your engine, gas or diesel, and more boost, more power. So I'm going to take this apart actually because I'm going to be test fitting the exhaust housing, and this will be a good time to kind of show you the innards of it. So as you can see here, your exhaust gas comes inside here and it'll actually spin this back part here. And then as that spins, it comes out of the exit of the turbine, which is your downpipe exit. And this turbine is connected. This is called a center housing, or CHRA, center housing rotating assembly. As the exhaust gases spin, it actually spins the front turbine, sucking air in, compressing it, and pumping it out. So this is either journal or ball bearing, sometimes even water cooled, but this is lubricated through oil. So you're gonna have your oil inlet, which is just standard engine oil, and then you'll have a turbo, you'll have a drain that just drains back into your oil pan. So this is essentially the insides of your turbo. And what I personally love about turbos is that it's essentially recycled air. There's no loss like you found in a supercharger. You know what I say, belts are for pants. Because what happens is you get a lot of loss off the crankshaft of the supercharger. Don't get me wrong, they're great in many applications. I'm just a turbo guy, so like I said, it's nice because it actually uses exhaust gases to recycle that and create power. And it's unlimited, essentially. You can kind of just keep turning up the boost until